friends, welcome back to my channel, Life as Tiff Knows It. I am Tiff, and I am here today to do a video on a mini series that I'm kicking off that is just a shop with me when I go into different retail stores and look and see what they have in stock diamond painting wise. Now, I realize that a lot of different stores have different inventory and different stock, but I wanted to give you kind of an idea of what you might be able to expect if you decide to go into particular stores. So I am going into a Joann's today. I did kind of peruse the website as well, and when I typed in diamond painting, it had over 500 results. Most of what Joann's carries is diamond dots. One thing that's really cool that I know before even going in there, because I've shopped for diamond painting stuff here before, is that they have the freestyle diamond dots. So any color that you need in rounds, they have it in like diamond dots carries it. And I'll show you a little bit more inside. It does get a little tricky because they do not use the DMC code, but you can totally figure it out. So why don't you join me as we go inside on this Joann shopping adventure. Okay, surprisingly, it was extremely hard to find this end cap, which it seems like they've really downgraded their diamond painting section, unless I can't find it. But let's go ahead and go through this. We have some diamond dot accessories. These are the DAC kits, Diamond Art Club. We got this cute print, these floral ones. Oh, it's tempting. I love all of these. Oh, they do carry the Harry Potter. Diamond Art by Leisure Arts. Haven't seen that one before. Abstract Cat, I see that quite a bit. This other Leisure Arts ones. And then they do have You're My Lobster by Friends. That's super tempting. Man. And then more of this other off-brand that I've never seen before. I was hoping for a bit more of the diamond dots. So I'm going to search around a little bit more and see if I can find it. And if not, then this might be a super short video. I'll give you one more view of the ones that I'm seeing. Okay, y'all, I am so happy that I stumbled upon the actual aisle with diamond paintings, and there's a whole clearance section. So we got lots of diamond dots. Harry Potter is on clearance. What? If I was more of a Harry Potter fan, I'd go for it. Lots of Diamond Art Club ones. Oh my goodness. Winnie the Pooh, Bugs Bunny, Mickey. Oh, yep. That one looks familiar to me. They have The Office, Toy Story. Oh, big Diamond Art Clubs. This is perfect. Look at all of these. I feel like their selection's actually grown quite a bit. Ooh, I love that cat one. Okay. Just trying to give you a nice scene of all of these. And then we kind of get into, oh, and there's a sale right now of these, what I was talking about, these freestyle diamond dots. There's even a light pad down here. Canvas that you can create things with, which I'm interested in doing. I have done before, actually. You get extra boats, although I don't know whoever is in needs of extra boats because you just get so many. This is a great selection. Different things. Very, very cool. I was hoping for some greeting cards. I'm curious. Look at this. You can make, it tells you how to make this. Oh, I'm so interested. I haven't seen this before. I'm trying to turn to a page. Oh, okay. So I think you can kind of like draw. You can use your light pad with it. That's cool. you could get super artistic, which I've tried and didn't do very well at. So that was, sorry. Oh my goodness, guys. I was going to put that right there because there wasn't a flowers section, but how cool is this? Well, thank you for joining me on my shop along adventure, and I'll see you in my next one.